swimming with my friend Abigail this summer. We went swimming at my house because it was hot. First, we got our bathing suits on. Mine had flowers on it. Abigail's was pink, and I think it has flowers on it. Next, we got our floats on. Mine had a dolphin on it, and hers had a heart. After we jumped in the pool, then we swam for a little bit. We got our float on because it's very deep. It is 5 feet. We didn't get to do headstands in the pool like I do at March River because it's a shallow pool. Finally,